guys, so I just got my Fab bag. It's the 1st of Feb and yeah, the Fab bag is here. Yeah, this is how the bag looks. It's a pretty cute bag this time with white and pink hearts. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. I think that's the theme. So I just recorded this video and it was not in focus, so I have to re-record. So this is the second take and this is not the first unboxing. I just wanted to let you guys know. And yeah, let me quickly show you the products one by one. So this product was outside the bag, so I'll just talk about this first. It's the Purple Essentio Naturals Milk and Honey Shower Gel. It's a 100 ml shower gel and is priced at Rs 594. Now I have not heard about this brand. It's a new brand, I guess, Purple Essentio Naturals. And I love milk and honey shower gels. I love the one by Johnson's and Palmolive, and milk and honey is like a very good combination when it comes to body washes, so they generally work well for me. And yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this out. So 100 ml is a pretty good size and there are so many full-size products this time. The bag is like super heavy. The second full-size product is again by Purple Essentio Naturals. It's the bath salt. It's a 100-gram bath salt and it has peppermint oil, almond oil and olive oil. It is priced at Rs 450 and it's a relaxing bath salt. Now I love bath salts and foot soaks. Just yesterday I was at Lakme Fashion Week and my feet were literally hurting, and I just used some peppermint foot salt from Blissent, which I think I got in last month or last month's Fab bag, and it was so relaxing and so good. My feet were instantly relieved and it felt so good. So I love using bath salts and foot soaks. If you have a bathtub or if you are traveling somewhere, you can carry this with you and use it like in your bathtub, in the hot bathtub. It's the most relaxing thing in the world. Next thing I have is a foundation. Now it's a full-size foundation again. It's NELF HD 24-hour stay foundation and it has SPF 15. Now I had an option to pick one product from NELF. I think there was one primer and there were 3 shades of foundations. I went with 01 Natural and this is priced at Rs 800. Now there were 2-3 different foundations by NELF, but I couldn't find swatches or review of this particular 24-hour HD one. So I just went with my judgment and got 01. I don't think they have enough shades for lighter and deeper skin tones. I think 01 is the lightest. Will work for me because I didn't see because I felt 02 and 03 were a little bit darker for me. I can always warm it up with a little bit of bronzer if it is slightly lighter too. And then we have a nail paint, a matte nail paint. This is Major Crush by Ayushi Nail Lacquer and the shade is 112. Now this looks exactly like Nykaa nail paints. I was surprised and I thought, how can Nykaa be a part of this, because they are like competitor brands. So this is Major Crush by Ayushi. I haven't heard about it, but the packaging is exactly like Nykaa and this shade is also exactly like one of my favorite shades from Nykaa matte range. I can't recollect it right now, but looks pretty good. But this one is priced at 199 I believe, which is too much for a new brand, because if Nykaa prices at 199, then this should be priced like half of it because it's a new brand. Final thing, again a full size product, is Twuk White Tea Rose Deep Pore Cleansing Exfoliating Scrub, and it has sunflower oil, shea butter, wheat germ oil, walnut powder, and it's a, let's just open this. It smells like roses and it has walnut extract in it, and it's like a jelly like texture. It's wiggling. Smells pretty good. It's a normal exfoliating scrub, but it's more jelly like and not like a thick cream which you get usually. So yeah, sounds interesting. I'll give this a try. Final thing we have are these sachets, Acne's Clarifying Whitening Face Wash. I'm not into whitening face wash and I'm not into sachets, so this is like something extra. But then we have 5 full-size products this time. I'll just let you know the prices. The theme for this month is the XOXO February Fab bag, and we have the NELF foundation which is priced at 800. The Major Crush by Ayushi Matte Nail Lacquer is priced at 199. The Purple Bath Salt is priced at 450. The Twuk Scrub is priced at 172 for 50 grams. The purple shower gel is priced at $5.94, and Acne's face wash are like 5 per sachet, so I won't count that. But the overall value of all the products in this month's fab bag comes to around rupees 2,200, and we have 5 full-size products this time. The bag is really good this time, although the brands are a little unknown, but something like a bath salt shower gel is what you use on a regular basis and you can always use up. Foundation and a matte nail paint are also pretty good, and the scrub, of course, even that is something which you use regularly. I do like the variety of products and the number of full-size products this time, and I definitely recommend this month's fab bag, and it gets a thumbs up from me. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked the unboxing, the second time unboxing. And yeah, please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and also I have a giveaway going on, so do participate. I'll link it somewhere here or here at the end. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon to get notified of all my new videos. I am doing a Club Factory haul next, so yeah, watch out for that. And yeah, thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.